Okay.
Mm-hmm.
We're taking a look today at the Mini Ductor Venom HP. It's a pretty nifty piece of equipment. Instead of using a torch to heat up a seized nut or other item, you place this over the nut or the seized item and fire it up and watch it heat up. We already did a couple over here. Those nuts were seized up tight as could be. Pulled this old toolbar out of the junk pile yesterday, and I don't think these nuts had probably been touched in, well, who knows, 20 years or more perhaps. So we place them over the nut, and the induction heating only heats that piece directly that it's over. And we start, and you can see the snow is starting to melt away almost at once, and it's heating up rapidly. This is the same kind of heater that if you've got an induction range top in the kitchen, it works the same way. Puts out an electromagnetic current that only affects ferrous metals. Last nut I did about 20 seconds, 30 seconds. See, the nut is turning red hot. Pretty good sign that it's working. And we'll see if it does as well as this one. No, this one. See if it does as well on this one as it did on the other side. It's a tough nut to crack. There she goes. I guarantee you I would not be turning it that easily without the help of that induction heater. And it's still warm enough, it's still enlarged enough. It's cooling off, but we're still able to get it over the rust. One thing I've already discovered is you better get it off before it cools, or you got to start it all over again. Okay, stop it.